Want to know how to create a mini task reminder app in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first, what we simply do is we take the task as input using scanner. And once that is done, we then ask for the time in seconds. So we use threads.sleep next. So the threads.sleep is on the 12th line right here. As you can see, you can just simply use it, and once we use that, we pause the program until the reminder time is reached. When the time's up, the console prints the reminder with a clock emoji. It's super simple, but it teaches input handling, timing, and string output. You can expand it with multiple tasks or recording reminders as well. So you can just simply copy paste this code, modify it as you want, and I'm just going to show you by running this code right here on how it works. So you can just simply enter your task right here. So we then set a reminder, and once that is done, it should give you a reminder of workout. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.